Uba Titus Chyne CM ka KGDC ulo ang baka council kadang watlat kumno ban pinbiyain ka jingmi na ka khachara hadian baka sarkar kala hukum ban khang no ki toll gate habai krem klab thai kubora ka si thode jaktayo uba khan ulo ang ban ka jingkhang no ki toll gate ka council kan Duhnong kum ba khatsan hado arpholak AA.
So we have decided in principle that we will not install any toll gate along the national highway, but we have prepared now a working plan how to go about it. You see, we the Autonomous District Council, we are the constitutional body. There are some provision in the 6th schedule which allow us to collect tax and levy. Now we are working on it, I think in the right time, from the council. We will have this working plan so that we will shock up the next step that will be taken by the council.